So then continuation of the nomenclature of phenols. So then let us consider phenol. So it is phenol, it is OH, so it is CH3 and it is CH3. So two methyl groups are present on the phenol group. So it is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, it is fourth carbon. So second carbon and fourth carbon with the methyl groups. So then its name is 2,4 dimethyl 2,4 dimethyl phenol. So it is first carbon, second carbon with methyl group, third carbon, fourth carbon with methyl group. So 2,4 number of methyl groups 2. So dimethyl it is a phenol. So then next one is, so it is phenol, it is OH, so it is CH3 methyl group and it is CH3 methyl group. So first carbon, second carbon with methyl group, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, sixth carbon. So then its name is 2,6 dimethyl 2,6 dimethyl phenol 2,6 dimethyl phenol. So then next one is, so then phenol, it is phenol, so methyl group, it is second methyl group and it is third methyl group. First carbon, second carbon with methyl group, fourth carbon with methyl group, sixth carbon with methyl group. So then 2, 4, 6 trimethyl phenol. So these are the 2,4 dimethyl phenol, it is 2,6 dimethyl phenol, it is 2,4,6 trimethyl phenols. So the next one is benzene with OH group is phenol. So then two phenols are present on the benzene ring. So then it is a second OH group. So it is first carbon, it is second carbon. So it is artho. So generally it is, the name of the compound is first carbon with OH group, second carbon with OH group. So then its name is benzene 1,2 diol. Benzene 1,2 diol. Or its common name is catechol. It is the catechol. So benzene 1,2 diol means two OH groups are present on the benzene at first carbon and the second carbon. So the next one is benzene with OH group and it is also OH group, two OH groups. So first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. So then its name is benzene 1,3 diol. Because first carbon and third carbon with OH group. So benzene 1,3 diol. So its common name is risosinol. So it is the risosinol or benzene 1,3 diol. So then next compound is, so then benzene with OH group and it is also OH group. So the position of the carbon is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. So its name is benzene, its name is benzene 1,4 diol. Benzene 1,4 diol. Its common name is quinol. Its common name is the quinol. Its common name is quinol. So two OH groups are present on the benzene. These are the diols. Diols are three types based on the OH groups are present on the benzene ring at different positions of the carbon. So it is the benzene 1,2 diol, or its common name is catechol. So this is the benzene 1,3 diol. It is 1, it is 2, it is 3. 1,3 diol, or it is the resorcinol. So then this one is benzene 1,4 diol. It means two OH groups are present. First carbon and fourth carbon. It is benzene 1,4 diol. Its common name is quinol. So then after completion of the nomenclature of phenols, then we are going to discuss preparation methods of phenols. So then preparation methods of the phenols. So then the first preparation method is phenols are prepared from coal. So then these are prepared from coal. So generally preparation of the phenols from coal, in this process phenols are obtained by fractional distillation process. So phenols are separated or prepared from coal by the fractional distillation process. So then second preparation method is phenols are prepared from haloarenes. It is the haloarenes. So generally halogens are denoted by X. So these are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, halogens. So arenes means these are the aromatic compounds. So generally this process is also known as Dawes process. It is also known as Dawes process. In this Dawes process, haloarenes are treated with alkalis. For example, let us consider haloarenes like that. For example, it is a Cl, it is a chlorobenzene. It is the chlorobenzene. So then chlorobenzene treated with NaOH. The optimum conditions are 350 degrees centigrade temperature and 300 atmosphere pressure. In this process, fission of the haloarenes. In this process, what happens? Fission of the haloarenes. So then fission of this one. So then ONaO attached to the benzene ring. So then H and Cl, HCl. So the obtained compound is, so it is benzene. So it is O, it is Na. So Na plus, it is the O minus. So it is the sodium phenoxide. The obtained compound is sodium phenoxide. So then obtained sodium phenoxide on hydrolysis in the presence of dilute HCl. The obtained sodium phenoxide on hydrolysis in the presence of HCl. So then in HOH, hydrolysis means addition of water. So then oxygen combines with H. So then it gives the phenol. So obtained compound is a phenol. It is the phenol. So it is C6H5 and it is OH. So it is the second preparation method. In second preparation method is preparation of phenols from haloarenes. This process is known as the Dow's process. In this process, fission of the haloarenes. Let us consider chlorobenzene. It is treated with NaOH at 350 degrees centigrade temperature and 300 atmosphere pressure. Then it gives sodium phenoxide. So then sodium phenoxide on hydrolysis in the presence of dilute HCl, it gives the phenol. So now third process is phenols are prepared from benzene sulfonic acid. It is the benzene sulfonic acid. So preparation of the phenols from benzene sulfonic acid. So in this process, so then first of all let us consider benzene. So it is the benzene. C6H6 is the benzene. It is benzene. It is treated with oleum. So what is oleum? H2H2O7. It is the oleum. So this process is known as sulfonation. It is the sulfonation process. So in this process, benzene is treated with oleum H2H2O7. Then it gives benzene sulfonic acid. So then it is benzene. It is HSO3. So the obtained compound is benzene. It is the benzene sulfonic acid. So then benzene sulfonic acid is treated with NaOH. So it is the fission of the NaOH. So then NaO is attached to the benzene ring. So the obtained compound is the sodium phenoxide. Na plus, it is the O minus. It is the sodium phenoxide. So then sodium phenoxide is acidified with HCl. Then it gives the phenol. So the obtained compound is phenol. So it is the third preparation method of the phenols from benzene sulfonic acid. So then in this process, first of all, benzene, it is treated with oleum. This process is known as sulfonation. After sulfonation, benzene sulfonic acid is obtained. It is benzene with HSO3. So then benzene sulfonic acid is treated with NaOH. In this process, fission of the NaOH, then it gives the sodium phenoxide. So then the obtained sodium phenoxide acidified with HCl, then it gives the phenol. So it is the third preparation. So then next fourth preparation method of the preparation methods of phenols. So phenols are prepared from diazonium salt. diazonium salt. So generally